Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials on how to use the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is going to focus on how you add an image surrounded by text. The way this is added is via a widget. Now scroll down to basics, and it's this one here, text and image, and I'm just going to drag this in as a new row. And we can see what we mean. We've got an image here with text around it. We can have the image to be to the left, to the right. Let's keep it to the left. We can select the image. You can either search on the stock images, select one that's already here, or upload your own. Let's select this one. I can add a link to the image. I might want the image linking on the image to a website or to an existing page. In this case, the home page. And here is the paragraph. This is where you add the paragraph in. It would be nice to have some returns on the paragraph. So we've got an image and we've got some text. Let's now look at the design of this. Go into design. We can change the width of the image. We might want to keep the image in proportion. So I'll select that and I'll just make the image bigger. You might want to change the position of the image by moving this here. You might want a border around the image. And you can change the color of the border. You can change the text style here. I'm just sticking with the default text, albeit I might want it bigger. Size 16. You can change the font format, the alignment, and the direction. I can have a background color. I might want this red color. I might want a background image. I can just add an image here. Again, you can look for the stock images, search for something that's already used, or upload your own. I might just want to keep this one. I can have the image covered, full, tiled, or no repeat. I'll keep the full image. I might want the image to stay static as I scroll. So as I scroll, the image appears static. Might want it a bit lower though. There we have it. That's the top, the bottom. We might want a background overlay that produces a color. Stick with this white color. You can change the opacity. I'll take it off. You can add some animation to the widget. You have two trigger points. You have either entrance or scroll. Entrance means as you come to this part of the site, it will actually trigger the animation. And I might want it to slide in from the right. I can change the duration, delay, and the intensity. And I can preview the animation. And you can also add some spacing. Probably wise to give it some spacing. As you'll notice, the text is right up against the border. And the way you change this is by using the padding here. So we might want some padding at the top. Let's give that 20 pixels. And we might want some padding left and right. Let's give that 20 pixels. And let's give 20 pixels at the bottom as well. So this has now actually added some padding between the text and the border of the widget. You can change the size of the widget by moving it here. And you can change the alignment of the widget by going to the wheel, and you can change the alignment. Let's keep it in the center, and let's keep it big. So that's how you add an image with some text around it within your website.